So now it is ready, golden color we have. We add some salt. Yep.
Hello, welcome to Food Life.
We add a little curcuma, like this. Cumin, not a lot if you don't like cumin. Oregon, and you mix. You can see. Now next step is to add carefully the meat. The neck is always excellent for the tagine.
Again, time to sleep and time to be water. To pray.
I add the meat as you can see here. The next step is the vegetables. Okay, so time for the veggies. And we add potatoes and carrots. And then artichoke. Tomatoes. Here it is.
Very nice.
Excellent.
So, let's give it a try.
Un jeune marin qui revenait de guerre, pour aller voir. Well, it is time to drink tea. Jeune marin some sugar. I love it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, give a thumbs up and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Stick around.